it's me, Trixie Mattel, and I am frankly in a mood. I got in drag earlier today to do a Twitch stream tonight, and then I got a text from Spectrum saying that the internet is out in my area, so I got in drag for no reason. Honestly, the feeling is like douching and then the hookup cancels. It's so like, I was just standing in my kitchen in drag, like, just standing, and then I ate a sandwich in drag, just like, what is happening? And then I sat down for a second, and then I was like, you know what? I actually have something in like the recesses of my mind. Do I have the balls to do that video? And I think I do. Okay, so let me take you back. I was an aspiring makeup artist. I think my first makeup job, I was 19. I really fancied myself a professional at what I did, a serious professional woman. And I believe I'm 20 maybe in the video, 21. So I had been doing drag 5 minutes. Hold on, let me brush this. What do you guys think of this hair? I kind of like it. I feel like Bridget Bardot. Bridget Bardot. You guys, it's been a really long day. Oh shit. Oh God, okay. Okay. Oh my God, this intro. This is so humiliating. Oh my God. I hate myself. I hate myself. Ah! Hey guys, it's Trixie and not Brian today. It's Trixie, not Brian today. New character. Oh my God. You guys. First of all, this filter. Kind of stunning. I'm gonna be coming back from my long 2-month break with some drag. I'm coming back from my long 2-month break. From what? I feel like a lot of my subscribers are within that demographic or like that interest. A lot of my subscribers are in that demographic. So I want to be getting back to some of those kind of videos. Look how scared I am, you guys. Oh, poor thing. Let's get back into her. Who is she though? My schedule lately has been such that I pretty much have to be in drag within like 2 hours. Oh yes, okay, this is all coming back to me. I was in college. On Wednesday nights, I had to go sing at a church. I sing for scholarship for church, so I have to be... I sing for scholarship for church. Okay, the eye is kind of pretty though. Like, it's not the worst. And whether this is your first time watching a drag video or you're just a professional who's out there who wants to see how other people are doing it. Oh, if you want to see another professional. You guys, one not even paid gig at a gay club and I'm like, I'm a professional! The thing about drag is, it's an art form, so everybody does it differently. Some people are kind of like, this is how drag should be done and this is how it shouldn't be done. I'm giving a speech about how different I am. Look how normal I look. Drag is less interesting if we're all doing the same things. That's true. I know that not everybody's gonna like it because I know not everybody likes to look like a crazy, Wow, I thought this was crazy makeup. Look at me now, bitch, just wait. This is how it happens. Ooh, the iMovie fantasy. How to, Trixie. Okay, so first thing I did is I washed my face. This is so weird, you guys. My brows look good. It always turns out better if you have the freshest, softest, smoothest canvas possible. Look at all my hair. Such a wake-up call. It's also gonna help fill in any fine lines, pores. Look at me putting primer on my skin that's literally poreless. Well, I have really bushy eyebrows, and if I don't like adhere them down, they don't stay. Look at me saying I have super full eyebrows. I did not even then. Right in the tube. What is that? And I start by back brushing. What is that? Because I want to get the spirit gum underneath the fibers. Spirit gum? Look how even and smooth my skin is. That's a little sad. Oh God, who are we? Because if you don't get them flat, you get an eyebrow glue like lump and then you look like Donkey Kong, which is bad. That's bad. You guys, that's bad. So now you should have this really, really flat brow. I mean, the spirit gum, I do remember it holding the brow down nice. Translucent powder in Fair. Translucent powder in Fair. Because I still use that. Really, really sets your makeup. It stays all night. That's a good product. And I'm gonna take some of that on a puff. If you think you're pressing too hard, press harder. And don't be afraid to use lots of powder because you want as much powder as possible. Ew, I would have hated me. Then this is my favorite part. Take my Elmer's glue stick, extra strength. I feel like this works the same as normal strength, but she was keeping it real since day one. And I'm just gonna start from the middle, out, kindergarten style, just gluing it down. Kindergarten style, is that a technical term, Trixie Mattel? And the reason you do glue stick is gonna help cover the texture. So the spirit gum and the powder. Am I drunk? Do you hear me being like, this is spirit gum and the powder? So I'm gonna move on to the concealer part of it. I use Ben Nye, I think this is called Tattoo Cover. Oh my god, I remember this. If you guys look up really close, you can see I have little crevices from like the hairs. And I'm just gonna use this to poke those in. Okay, technique-wise, I'm not even mad at what I'm doing though. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which is Ben Nye Fair Female. Ben Nye Fair Female. Not foundation that's gendered. You can just go like this, boom, boom. I remember doing this. I mean, that's pretty covered. Look how pretty that is. You can't see it at all. I'm gagged. And then you're gonna move on to foundation. It's weird to think I'm 21. This is like the age that Violet won RuPaul's Drag Race at. Think about that. And I know you're thinking, Brian, reality check, you're not that dark. I know what you're thinking. Brian, reality check, you're not that dark. You guys, I'm gonna kill myself. Down like that. Look at this soft little brush. By the way, this is me doing extreme makeup. So cream-wise, I'm pretty much done. Look at cream-wise, I'm done. Look at that nose, sis. I mean, my nose now is pretty like off the wall, but God, I'm stunning. So now I'm gonna start with my contouring and my highlighting using powders. And I know that I'm gonna get comments with this that are like, it doesn't look believable, it looks so fake. But if you're a performer or you're doing this for stage, drag is not about looking real. And especially not my drag. My drag. You guys, I literally have been doing drag for like tops 3 years. It looks like this. What? This is a thing that you can use for airbrushing to kind of like... Oh, that's right. I was into airbrushing at the time. Is there airbrushing in this? My first contour color I'm gonna work with is Blunt from MAC. So I'm gonna take it, put it right there. Oh God, that placement. And I'm just gonna start chiseling. It'll work out, I promise. Are you sure about that? You can see I'm like doubting it. I know people are gonna hate on the straight lines that I have right now, but just finish watching the videos. They all blend out, I promise. Wow, I'm really cocky. I know what you guys are thinking. The next one I'm gonna do is, remember this line we made? No. I'm gonna do that, and that's gonna be my new temple. This is my new temple. A lot more real. A lot more real. And then I'm gonna do the other side. So then, highlighting is gonna be Ben Nye Super White. Ben Nye Super White is a white you use to set clown makeup. I'm gonna hit right here on the chin. Look how much white powder I put on my should I get a nose job? My favorite part of the face to accentuate, the cheekbones. So I'm gonna start right under the eye. Nothing's changed. I mean, cheekbones still are like my favorite part of makeup. You're gonna kind of look like that, which I know looks really just white. Drag is really not cute until the very end, so. It might not even be cute at the end, girl. It's not gonna be cute. Oh God. Overblending can be really easy to do. Because once you get into those lights or whatever, it's like all your hard work did not pay off. That is true for new drag queens. Like you overblend it to filth, especially these new young drag queens that want to be like Instagram makeup artists. All these young drag queens go on the stage and they look like they have no makeup on. Then I moved on to airbrushing. I know a lot of people don't have airbrushes. And I know I'm airbrushing on my eyebrows. What? I don't often use it on clients or myself other than clients. I really think I'm fucking Scott Barnes or something. You guys don't understand. This person you're looking at was showing up to the gay clubs being like, hi, I'm me. It's just no makeup, you guys. This is like how much makeup a woman from the suburbs wears to DragCon. I'm gonna be taking glitter adhesive. This is Sally Girl glitter adhesive. Sally Girl. And then some purple glitter from like a Claire's cosmetic glitter stacker. I bet you that's not even eye safe, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna take the glue and put it on the back of my hand. Fierce. I'm gonna take a Q-tip. Now that I have both eyes done, I'm gonna start with curling. Curl. I don't even own a lash curler anymore, you guys. That's how little curling lashes matters to me. Then I'm gonna go in with my 199 lashes. 199. These ones are really nice. They're my favorite size. They're bitch to get huge. On. Though, these lashes are so big. You guys don't even know. They don't want to stay like C-shaped. They really want to pop out straight. I bet you I wasn't even using bonding glue. Drag without lashes is like a day without sunshine, like, which is great. I look like I cooked my face in a George Foreman grill. I'm doing a pink lip. This is NYX Hot Pink Lip Liner. I still love NYX lip products. I always start on the bottom. I don't know why. And I do like pretty severely line outside my lips. Oh, I do pretty severely line outside my lips. Bitch wear. God, you guys, this one little baby lash and this giant nose. Blend the whole thing out a little bit. As much as you feel like you need to. It depends where you're going, what time of day or night it is. Depends where you're going. It depends what time of day or night it is. You know, it's your discretion, really. And then you just throw on the rest of your stuff and you are done. I hope you guys like it and I will talk to you soon. Bye. I remember I was 21. I did my first club gig and my boyfriend was younger than me, so he couldn't even go watch. And I went to the club, the gay club, by myself, showed up by myself with like my little suitcase. I did my 2 numbers and I remember the music started and I did Material Girl by Madonna in that dress. And I remember the lights were so bright and I couldn't really see or hear anything and I was just doing it. And I remember going and getting in bed and my boyfriend was sleeping. He was like, oh, I'm like, how was it? Oh, how was the show? And I was like laying in bed, erect with my eyes open like, I'm gonna do drag for the rest of my life. Like it was like a revelation. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned to my channel for all kinds of brand new content and I'll be with you again soon. Goodbye. I'm just gonna do an intro outro for safety. Actually, I think the intro's probably good. And the outro's good, so. Bye.